Hey YouTube, we are here again doing a dad review video for the Bugani M118 wireless speaker. This speaker has 70-watt stereo. I'm gonna cut this open on the back. Safety seals. There's probably a charging cable in there. Some standard packing. It's heavy. It feels very heavy duty. We've got some charging port on the back side here as you flip this panel up. Got your USB-C here. There's a mic port, auxiliary port, and a USB. That pops in. That's actually nice. It's very smooth. Fits perfectly in there. Got a little pull tab out. Put that back in. The front side, you got your power, you got your mode, you got your play, plus and minus here. Let's turn this on. Not sure if you can see the blue indicator light here. Camera tells it's turned on. From my past experience, these have about 50 or 60% battery life already pre-charged. Let's see if we can test this speaker out. That paired fairly quickly. I thought I was recording when I did that. It took literally 2 seconds for me to find the M118 option here, and it paired super quick. Unfortunately, with this phone, I can't record and play the video or play the audio through this at the same time, but you can rest assured. Let me see if I can hit play if it does anything. No, I thought it might pull up something that I already had attached on my phone. It's got some side woofers there, the Bugani brand. They certainly make a nice high quality product in my experience from the other Bugani products that I have. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you like it, if you've had experience, and what your favorite features are. Thank you for watching.